former Prime Minister.
As the race for Raila Odinga's African Union chairmanship gains momentum, the head of state used the forum to root for Odinga among African presidents attending the event in China. President William Ruto met with President Faure Sozima of Togo, Assimi Goita of Mali, Paul Kagame of Rwanda, Umaru Sissoco Embalo of Guinea-Bissau, Mahamat Idris Deby of Chad, and Hakainde Hichilema of Zambia, drumming up support for Odinga. In his meeting with Paul Kagame, he lauded Rwanda as a strong ally and a strategic partner for Kenya. In another meeting with President Idris Deby of Chad, Ruto noted that Kenya and Chad are exploring areas of cooperation to enhance diplomatic relations in areas of mutual interest, including trade, regional security, and climate action. Speaking of Kenya's ties with Guinea-Bissau, the president stated that the two countries are working to promote the African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement to enhance trade between the two countries for the benefit of their people. Commenting on Kenya-Zambia's ties, President Ruto shared the two countries' history that date back decades ago. All 8 members of the EAC community have pledged support for Raila's candidacy. So far, 19 countries have confirmed to vote for Raila in February 2025 at AU's headquarters in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Busara Naman, K24 TV.